Now, gold has shifted market structure to the upside. It is looking like it could potentially continue up. There is no guarantee that it does continue up, but if it is going to continue up, I'm going to show you exactly where and when that could happen inside of the charts right now. I'm also going to give you those upside targets, and I'm also going to give you the point where I believe that gold could potentially break down and turn bearish, and then the targets from there as well. So I'm going to give you these levels. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader. I have a 91.5% documented and live tracked win rate in just 2025 alone on both gold and silver. And the majority of my net worth is actually invested in gold and silver. So I want to see them do well. So let's get into the charts. Let's understand exactly where we could be going if we go up, where we could be going if we go down, before we potentially continue to, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000 into 2026, right? If we were to get that pullback, all right? And if you want my trade setups, my trade ideas, okay? I do not run a signals group. If you want a signals group, go find some Indian dude on Facebook that'll gladly give you signals, get you wrecked. He runs it anonymously and absolutely lose all of your money. Feel free to do that. If you want real actionable insights, if you want my trade setups, but you want somebody that is actually compliant with what the regulators want you to do, then get in there, check out my trade setups, check out my trade ideas, but just realize I am not going to tell you to get into a trade. You have to make those decisions for yourself. I am not your financial advisor. Let's get into the charts. Now, that is the first link in the description, by the way. It is $29 a month. Do whatever you want to do. Where we continue to be bullish was right here. We've actually shifted market structure to the upside only on the 1 hour chart, meaning we are now in an uptrend on the 1 hour chart. We are still in a downtrend on the 4 hour chart. So a certain parameter needs to be met in order for us to be bullish 100% again and in 100% alignment on uptrends on every single chart. And what is that level? You probably can make an inference on what it is. It's the all-time high, okay? So we need to come up here and we need to close a 4 hour candle above the all-time high. What would be best is obviously if we do the 4 hour. What would be even better is if we could close a daily candle above the all-time high, okay? We do not want to see a swing failure pattern up here. We do not want to see a wick up here like this, right? That is not what we want to see. Okay, we want to see a candle close above this level. Now, if we do that, that means that we are aligning every single market structure and every single trend from the 1 hour to the 4 hour to the 12 hour to the 1 day to the 1 week to the 1 month, all in an uptrend, and that is incredibly bullish for gold. Now, where could you go if that were to potentially happen? And then we'll talk about the downside targets here in just a second, okay? Now, I want you to understand that if we were to break above this level, there's a place that we could potentially go, okay? And that is going to be right around here. If you look, we already rejected from this zone, okay? But our second proprietary deviation zone, if you know anything about me, you know that I have a proprietary methodology that I have developed from normal, everyday, understandable concepts like, charting patterns, pivot points, supply and demand, and then also smart money concepts. And I have my own proprietary deviation zones and things of that sort that help me predict where we could be potentially going. And that is exactly how I actually called the top right here and said, hey, this is our level, right, whenever we hit it. And that's why, because that was my proprietary deviation zone. So where's the second one? Well, your first resistance is going to be right there at $4,700 to $4,800. Period. First and foremost, right? Now, where's your second one going to be? I'll show you. If we measure this, you're also going to take this all the way down here to the bottom, right? You're going to see that your next resistance is going to be right there in the same range, 4,700 to 4,800, but your next resistance is going to be at $5,000 to $5,120. Now, what do I want to see? I personally, this is just, this would be my bias. If I had the world was perfect, right? I would want to see us come up smack into the bottom of this deviation zone, come back to the previous all-time high right here, use it as support and start pumping up and hit that $5,000 range. That's what I would want to see, and that's what I would assume is going to happen if you close a 4-hour candle above the all-time high with strength, or a daily candle, and then continue upward. I would assume that we're going to get resistance and a potential rejection here about 4,700 to 4,800 bucks, come back down, use the previous all-time high as support, and then start pumping up. Now, what are your downside targets though? It's pretty cut and dry, to be honest with you, and for that, all we got to do is zoom in. We need to uphold the $4,400 and $4,415 level. If we don't uphold that and we do indeed get under that level, that is telling us we are now in a bearish market structure on the 1-hour chart. And then we would be legging our way down, and I'll show you. We would likely start legging our way down to that 4-hour break of structure. And if you break the $4,284 range, you are now breaking the 4-hour structure to the downside and continuing the downtrend. Because remember, we are still in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart, and that is why we have to break and close a 4-hour candle above the all-time high to then switch that trend to bullish again, okay? Now, if you were to break down from here, you're probably going to be coming down here to about 4,150 bucks to 4,130, and that is because if you look right here, and I'll zoom in, there's a pretty decent sized gap fill right here, okay? There's a pretty decent sized gap fill that needs to be filled right there, and that's what we would like to see. Now, where is like the bare minimum bottom on this? In my opinion, your bottom's probably going to be right around here in the $4,000 to $3,900 range, right? And that is actually where the 12-hour and the daily market structure lows are. That's where they could potentially save the day and then start pumping you back up to, you know, $4,800 and then eventually to the $5,000 range. Now, say that we lose that, because you're probably like, well, what if we lose it, right? If we do indeed lose those market structure lows, your first bounce point is going to be here at 3,750 bucks, and then your last ditch effort bounce point is going to be right here at about $3,500 to $3,600 exactly. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, you'll see it even more clearly. Look at that. Look how well that lines up, right? Boom. So that's your previous double top all-time high as well. So that's where I could see us. I mean, that's like the worst case scenario on gold in my opinion. Are we going to go that low? My guess is probably not, okay? I'm going to be honest with you. That's pretty far out, in my opinion, going out that far and getting that low. So are you going to see gold go that low? Not anytime soon. You'll see me before you see that happen, right? So I'll keep you updated on the levels. But if you want me to update you on a daily basis on not only gold, but silver, the S&P, Bitcoin, and you want my trade setups, right? Again, not a signals group, giving you that disclaimer here so that you don't try to come in there and get confused and say, Drew, where's the signals? There's no signals. I give you the TA, I give you the trade setups. It is up to you to take the setups, okay? I'm not gonna come to your house, take the setup for you. I'm not gonna hold a gun to your head and tell you to take the trade or exit the trade or anything. But what I will do is I will be there with you through it, right? I will tell you, here are my trade setups, here are my trade ideas, here are the levels I'm looking at, set your alerts. If those alerts get hit, bing, bang, boom, you can kind of see what's going on. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody for showing up. Would love to see you inside of the Nordic Alpha Private VIP Trading Academy. $29 a month, less than $1 a day. I will see you in there. Everybody, if you like content like this, please do me one thing. Smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so you don't miss this analysis ever again. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. Everybody have a good #Friday Pie Day with their beautiful families, and have a wonderful weekend with your beautiful families.